Oh, it's so exciting, man. I'm killing it. This is my first one that I'm actually making money. Gorilla 4935 says, hey, candle closed and nobody knows where the price is going has really helped my strategy. Can you go over once price hits your target? When should I sell? So this right here is kind of like an oxymoron. This doesn't really make sense. When it hits your target, when should you sell? You should sell at your target. So that right there, or hold to see if price goes to the next level. So right here, when you're setting up your target, you could have multiple targets, and it's best to set multiple targets when you're placing your order so that you don't have emotions tied to your selling. When you're actually setting up your trade, you're thinking logically. If it breaks this level, I'm doing X, Y, and Z. Here's my stop loss. Here's my target. Here's my other target. Here's my other target. And you set it and you forget it. As it's going up, if you want to, you can move your stop loss into break even or maybe even into slight profit. As it hits your first target, price comes down, starts going up again, comes down, reaches your second target. Maybe you might want to move up your stop loss. But all this should be part of your plan and not a reaction to your emotion. Oh man, it's going up, it's going up. I would have had my target there, but I'm gonna wait. Oh, it's so exciting, man. I'm killing it. This is my first one that I'm actually making money. But you're doing emotions and you're not selling because it's making you so much money. And then it starts rolling over and it goes up. Oh, it's okay. It's gonna bounce here. And then it goes down and then it goes up. Ooh, man, it's about to bounce. It's gonna bounce. And then it goes down. And then now you only up 10% versus your 85% that you were up because greed came into account. What you want to do, set your targets, move up your stop loss when needed, and then let your targets hit or your stop loss hit. So that's how you do that. Now this shows me that you're very brand new to trading, and I would not recommend trading. Don't trade. You're gonna pay somebody. You're gonna pay either the market to learn or you're gonna pay a mentor to learn. Guess what? I'm a mentor. If you want to have access to me, join my group. Do you need to join my group to learn? No. You'll learn faster, but join my live streams. And I actually commented on here, join my live stream. I will show you how to trade. And let's see here. Should I stay in if it breaks through? So all this is not having a plan. This shows me you're extremely new. Don't trade. Watch my video. You will make money. I'm telling you right now, you will make money. Not financial advice, but you will. Take time. You're going to make money. Instead of wasting your money right now, not knowing how to trade, trying to get in, trying to get out, listen to all these fake gurus. Watch me. Watch how I trade. Take notes. And then either invest in yourself by joining my group or invest in yourself with time and watch my videos and repay it with the likes and the comments. And there you go. But this screams to me that you're brand new, which is good, man. I'm so happy you found my channel. And this is what I'm asking, guys. This is like literally what I'm asking for. You sharing out my content, you liking it, you commenting it. This is going to help more gorillas. It's going to literally help more gorillas. Tune in every day, Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday and Sunday at 4. Plus, we do bonus streams, 12, midnight, 2 in the morning, whenever.